Ayo, boss, and welcome back to An Evening with Chef. I'm your host, the narrator, and tonight we're going to share with you a chicken and bow ties dish. This is a 30-minute meal that's very delicious and very nutritious as well. So let's go ahead and get cooking. You're going to heat up a pan with some oil and then add some chopped up chicken tenderloin pieces to cook. Of course, you're going to make the dish. And then add some chopped up broccoli and let those get soft along with a little bit of garlic. Stir those around for several minutes. Next, you're going to add some chicken broth in, and then some diced up tomatoes, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and a little bit of basil. Then bring this up to a boil, and then back down to a simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. Once that's done, go ahead and add your fully cooked bow tie pasta. Don't forget, all the ingredients will be down below, as well as on our blog. Go ahead and plate this up with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and you'll be ready to go. We hope everyone enjoyed this meal. It is one of our 30-minute meals that we think you're going to really love. Definitely share this with your friends and try this out on yourself. Thanks again for sharing this evening with Chef. If you haven't subscribed, we definitely encourage you to, and check out our last video in case you missed it. I'm your host, the narrator, and we hope you have a lovely evening. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.